Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you know how crucial it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing your Stellar tokens from a Trezor hardware wallet to your Coinbase wallet. This process is straightforward but requires attention to detail to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, ensure you have everything ready. You'll need your Trezor device connected to your computer via USB, the Trezor Suite app installed and updated, a verified Coinbase account, and of course, some Stellar XLM tokens in your Trezor wallet. Remember, in 2025, with enhanced security protocols, always double-check for the latest firmware updates on your Trezor to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open the Trezor Suite app on your computer and connect your Trezor device. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN for security. Go ahead and do that. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Stellar wallet. It's that simple. Next, in the Stellar wallet interface, look for the Send or Withdraw option. Here, you'll enter the destination address. Head over to your Coinbase app or website, go to your Stellar wallet, and copy the receiving address. Paste this into the Trezor Suite. Double-check it. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive and one wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Now, specify the amount of Stellar you want to withdraw. Make sure to leave a little extra for network fees, which in 2025 might be dynamically adjusted based on blockchain congestion. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm it on your Trezor device using the physical buttons. This hardware confirmation is what makes Trezor so secure. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Blockchain networks like Stellar are fast, so it should only take a minute or two. You can track it using a blockchain explorer. And voila, your Stellar tokens should now appear in your Coinbase wallet. A quick tip: always withdraw to a test amount first if you're unsure, and keep an eye on gas fees or any regulatory changes in 2025 that might affect transfers. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.